Hello students, here we will start with a new chapter, Applications of Derivatives. In the previous chapter, we have studied the derivatives of various functions such as composite functions, inverse trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions and all. Also, the relation between the derivatives and the slope of the tangent. Now, in this chapter, we are going to study the various applications of differentiation, such as application to geometry, rate measure, approximations, Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, increasing and decreasing functions, and maxima and minima. So let's start with the tangent and normal. Find the equations of tangent and normal to the curve at the given point on it. Now first question, x cube plus 2x square y minus 9xy is equal to 0 at 2, 1. So here first we will write the given equation as it is, that is x cube plus 2x square y minus 9xy is equal to 0. Now we will differentiate this function with respect to x. Now here, while differentiating, derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 2 as it is, derivative of x square y. Here we will use u into v rule. So x square is u and y is v. So derivative will be x square into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x square minus 9 as it is. Here also, while finding the derivative of xy, we will use u into v rule. So x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x, and that is equal to 0. Now 3x square as it is, we will simplify this, 2 as it is, x square dy by dx plus y derivative of x square is 2x minus 9 x dy by dx plus y derivative of x is 1. Now 3x square plus, multiplying this bracket by 2, here we will get 2x square dy by dx plus 4xy minus, multiplying this bracket by 9, 9x dy by dx minus 9y is equal to 0. We will write all dy by dx terms to this side and remaining terms to that side. So here, by taking dy by dx common, we will get this term. So dy by dx is equal to this term we will get. Now we want this dy by dx at the point 2, 1. So we will substitute the value of x as 2 and y as 1. So by substituting value in this equation and after simplification, we will get minus 11 upon minus 10, and that is equal to 11 upon 10. So slope of the tangent m is equal to 11 upon 10. Now equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So here x1 comma y1 is nothing but the point 2, 1, and slope is 11 by 10, that is the value of m. So all these three values we will substitute at the respective places and we will simplify this. Shifting 10 to this side, we will get 10 y minus 1 is equal to 11x minus 2. So 10y minus 10 is equal to 11x minus 22. So 11x minus 22 minus 10y plus 10 is equal to 0. So 11x minus 10y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is nothing but the equation of tangent. But we want equation of normal also. So slope of normal is given by minus 1 upon m, and we will denote this by m1. So that is equal to reciprocal with opposite sign. So here we will write m1 is equal to minus 10 upon 11. Now equation of normal is given by, again, y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1. Now here we consider m, but while writing the equation for normal we will write m1, and m1 is nothing but reciprocal with opposite sign of the slope of tangent. So y minus 1 is equal to minus 10 upon 11 x minus 2. Shifting 11 to this side, 11 into y minus 1 is equal to minus 10 into x minus 2. So 11y minus 11 is equal to minus 10x plus 20. So after simplification we will get the equation of normal as 10x plus 11y minus 31 is equal to 0. Now we consider question number 2. So y is equal to 2x cube minus x square plus 2 at half comma 2. Now here we will write the given equation as it is. Then differentiating with respect to x, we will get derivative as 2 into 3x square minus 2x plus 0. So that is 6x square minus 2x. Now derivative at the point half comma 2. So at the place of x we will substitute half. So 6 into half square minus 2 into half. So here 6 into 1 by 4 minus 1. So after simplification we will get 3 by 2 minus 1. So that is equal to half. Now this is nothing but the value of m, that is the slope of tangent. Now slope of equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equal to half into x minus half. Here x1 comma y1 is nothing but the given point, that is half comma 2, and m is nothing but the slope which is equal to half. Now after simplification we will get 2 into y minus 2 is equal to x minus half. So 2y minus 4 is equal to x minus half, that is x minus half minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 2y plus 7 by 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Now while finding the slope of normal we will write m1, and m1 is nothing but minus 1 upon m. That is the slope of tangent we will consider in the form of reciprocal with opposite sign. So here m1 is equal to minus 2. Now equation of normal is given by y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1. So substituting all these three values, and after simplification we will get the equation of normal as 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let's consider one more question. Question number 3. X is equal to sin theta, y is equal to cos 2 theta at theta is equal to pi by 6. Now here also we are going to find the equation of tangent and normal. So as x is equal to sin theta, differentiating with respect to theta, because here theta is the parameter, we will get dx by d theta is equal to cos theta. We call this as equation 1. Now y is equal to cos 2 theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, dy by d theta is equal to minus sin 2 theta into the term to which we consider x, derivative of that term. So again derivative of 2 theta, that is 2. So answer is minus 2 into sin 2 theta. We call this as equation number 2. Now since we want the value for dy by dx, here we are going to divide equation 2 by equation 1. So dy by d theta upon dx by d theta is equal to minus 2 sin 2 theta upon cos theta. Now d theta get cancels. So dy by dx is equal to this term. But we want the slope at theta is equal to pi by 6. So at the place of theta we will substitute pi by 6. Here after simplification we will get minus 2 into sin pi by 3. Value of sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Similarly value of cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. So both the terms get cancelled and we get the value for slope as minus 2, which is nothing but m. Now before we simplify the equation of tangent, we require the values of x and y. So here at the place of x, since we have sin pi by 6, we will write the value, that is half. And as y is equal to cos 2 theta, that is cos 2 into pi by 6, that is cos pi by 3, and that is equal to half. That means our point x comma y is nothing but half comma half. So that we will substitute at the place of x1 comma y1 and slope as -2. And the simplification of this will gives us the equation 4x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. You can very well simplify this to get the given answer. Now, while writing the slope of normal, we will consider the slope of tangent as reciprocal with opposite sign. So here the value of m1 will be half plus half. Now equation of normal is given by y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. So here also at the place of x1 comma y1 we will substitute half comma half, and m1 slope of normal is nothing but half, and simplification of this will gives us the equation 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Thank you, students.